Packs in the mail, packs in the mail, baby. Shout out to my guy Nick over at Neewer for sending this over. Let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so what we're looking at here are the Neewer 660 Pro Mark IIs. And it looks like we got a 2-pack, man. Shout out to the folks over at Neewer. So they got 2 battery slots in the back. So it looks like they are battery operated, and you can also plug up an AC adapter to them as well. Okay, we got the Neewer carrying case. It also comes with some light stands. You can never have enough of these light stands. My team and I have used tools like this to light some amazing shots that you guys have seen and loved on social media. So if you're looking for some gear like this and other things, make sure you check out Neewer.com and use my code Bstar20 to take 20% off your entire purchase.